Boreas, Bibo. Lake Boreas is now 1 month and 1 week and 1 day. Yay! Hi, Bibo.
Hala, dog ako.
Bibo just finished eating 2 ounces of milk. Hey, Bibo.
Pagdi pa lang sa likod sa mga buyak.
He is about to cry na. What's the problem?
Bunting lang ni mo.
What's the problem? He's about to cry na. Are you still hungry, Bibo? Are you still hungry, baby? Huh? What's the problem? Are you still hungry? You just woken up and I feed you 2 ounces of milk. You just finished 2. Later on, you will eat again. Bibo, why are you hungry? Hey, this is my Bibo, Lake Boreas. Hey. Hi. Hi.
Uba naman na ilabayay tapos. Di ba ito ilabayay? Si ila mga itong wala.
Burping session.
Wait, second floor? Dili, ilang tumala.